Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all how I achieved this cute tween protective style. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you're not, thanks for coming back, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm starting off with unwashed hair. However, you can start off with clean hair. I'm going to just take my water bottle and wet the hair so that it's easy to detangle. Once the hair is damp, I'm going to take a vent brush and start detangling the hair. So in the back, the part is going straight down the middle. More towards the front, the part is going to go more on the side. Once the parts are straight, I'm going to section off the hair using these rubber bands. I do not buy or use rubber bands with the metal clips, so make sure you get the ones without the metal clips. And then I'm going to take this peppermint oil and just massage it into the parts. Next, I'm going to take this front section and divide it into 4 parts using these colorful rubber bands. I'm going to use this edge control to give the small sections more of a clean look. You're going to see me first use black rubber bands, and that's because I want the parts to be more visible. She has very thick hair, so if I only use the color rubber bands, her parts won't be as visible. Oh, and just a disclaimer, I did get inspiration for this hairstyle from Instagram. Once all the rubber bands are in, I'm going to take this Eco Styler gel and put it on the rest of the hair. I'm going to take this brush and brush down her hair and try to make it as smooth as possible. Once the hair tie is in, I'm going to twist the ponytail down and put it in a bun. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Next, I'm going to take the edge control and this edge control brush and lay down her edges. Next, I'm going to take these two clips and place them on the side of her head just for extra cuteness. And here you have it, the finished product. I think that it is super cute and age appropriate. If you tie it down, it can last up to 4 days. And once again, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys. And make sure that your notification bell is turned on so that you won't miss the next video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Give me this.